Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve all the questions on the trigonometric ratios test, which was recently held. So in question number one, it has been told that question number one has been told that uh, tan 2a, that is equal to 3 tan a. If this is true, then the measure of the angle A is how much? So here the options are given as A, which is 90 degree, B is 60 degree, and C is 45 degree, and D is 30 degree. So now here we can see that if we put A as 60 degree, then we will get that is the for A equal to 60 degree, the left hand side, which is tan 2A, that is tan 120 degree, which will obviously not be same as 3 tan 60 degrees. So 3 tan 60 is 3 root 3, which is not same as tan 120 degrees. And then if we put tan 45, then we will, for A equal to tan 45, for A equal to 45 degrees, the left hand side will be tan 90 degree. That is undefined, or I can say in infinity. But 3 tan A, 3 tan 45, that is equal to tan 45 is 1. So 1 into 3, that is 3. So the right hand side is 3, but the left hand side is in infinity. So C option also is not being satisfied. So 45 degree will also not satisfy the given equation. But if we put 30 degree, for A equal to 30 degree, the left hand side, which is tan, which will be tan 60 degree, that is equal to root 3, and the right hand side, which is 3 tan 30 degree, so that will be 3 into, so tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so it should be equal to root 3. So hence for A equal to 30 degree only, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. So hence the answer is option D. So now in question number 2 has been told that if x equals to cos 30 degree minus sine 30 degree minus sine 30 degree and y is equal to tan 60 degree minus cot 60 degree, uh, uh, then what is the relation in between x and y? So here x will be cos 30, as we know, that is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 30 is 1 by 2. And y will be tan 60 is root 3, and cot 60 is same as tan 30, which is 1 by root 3. So this will be, y will be equal to 3 minus 1 by root 3, which is equal to 2 by root 3. So now since 2 is more than root 3, so 2 by root 3 is obviously slightly more than 1. And x is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. Now root 3 minus 1, that is obviously root 3 minus 1, that is obviously less than 2. Since y it is 1.732 minus 1, so it is 0.73, which is obviously less than 2. So root 3 minus 1 by 2, that is less than 1. So it means therefore I can say x is less than 1 and y is more than 1. But here there are no options. So obviously y is more than 1. So x is less than 1 and 1 is less than y. So obviously x is less than y. So x is less than y. So option C is the correct answer. Then here in question number 3, it has been told that if x equals to 2 sine 60 degree into cos 60 degree and y is equal to sine square 30 degree, y is equal to sine square 30 degree minus cos square 30 degree. and x square that is equal to k times y square, then the value of k is. Now value of x that will be equal to 2 sine 60 that is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 that is 1 by 2. So that will be equal to obviously root 3 by 2. Y value that is sine square 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square minus cos 30 whole square, which is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4, which is equal to minus 2 by 4, which is minus 1 by 2. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now therefore x square, which is root 3 by 2 whole square, that is equal to k into minus 1 by 2 whole square. So therefore this is 3 by 4, that is equal to k into 1 by 4. So 4 will get cancelled, so k will be equal to 3. So option C is the correct answer. Then in question number 4, it has been told that tan 3 theta that is equal to root 3, then theta by 2 equals to 1. Theta by 2 equals to 1. So now tan 3 theta is root 3. So root 3, as you know, that is equal to tan 60 degrees. So tan 3 theta, that is I can say that is equal to tan 60 degree. So therefore I can say 3 theta that will be obviously equal to 60 degree. So theta will be equal to 60 degree by 3, that is equal to 20 degree. So therefore theta by 2 that is equal to 20 degree by 2, that is equal to 10 degree. 10 degree. So option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 5, it has been told in triangle ABC, B angle B is 90 degree. So this is triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle. So angle B is 90 degree. And if AB by AC that is equal to half. So AB by AC that is equal to 1 by 2. So I can take so if I take AB as length x, so I can take, if let's say AB is x units, then AC will be equal to 2x units. So AC will be 2x. Then BC length will be how much? BC length will be BC length of BC that will be equal to AC root over AC square minus AB square. So that will be square root of 2x whole square minus x square. So which is 4x square minus x square, which is root over 3x square, which is equal to root 3x units. So the length of BC is root 3 times x units. So therefore, we can say we take find here we can find the value of cos C, cos of this angle. So cos of angle C that will be obviously equal to base by hypotenuse, which is adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is BC by AC. So BC is root 3x units by AC is 2x units. So x will get cancelled, which is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos C is root 3 by 2. So option C is the correct answer. Then question number 6, it has been told if x into 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree tan square 30 degree is equal to y into 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Then we have to find the ratio of x and y. So x is to y you have to find out. So x is to y means value of x by y we can find out. So here I can say that x by y that will be equal to this 2 tan 30, y is 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 divided by this thing, which is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30. So therefore I can say x by y that will be equal to this divided by this. So it is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree into, so do 1 plus tan square 30 degree divided by 2 tan 30 degree. Since when we have to divide, then we have to take the reciprocal. So then 2 and 2 will get cancelled, tan 30 and tan 30 also will get cancelled. So now therefore we can say here x by y, that is equal to 1 plus tan square 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So which is equal to now x, so therefore x by y, I can say 1 plus tan 30, which is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole square, by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So which is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Now, so therefore, you can say x by y, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3, that will be 2 by 3. So therefore, x by y, I can say that is 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. So it is into 3 by 2. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. So it is equal to 2 by 1. So therefore, I can say x is to y, that is equal to 2 is to 1. So option C is the correct answer. Then question number 7, it has been told that if 4k that is equal to tan square 60 degree minus 2 cosec square 30 degree minus 2 tan square 30 degree, then the value of k will be how much? So now therefore 4k that is equal to tan 60 whole square. So tan 60 is root 3 whole square minus 2 into cosec 30, it means 1 by sin 30. Cosec 30 means 1 by sin 30 and sin 30 is half. So cosec 30 is 2. That is 2 square minus now tan 30 is 1 by root 3. It's whole square. So therefore from here we can say 4k that is equal to root 3 square means 3 minus 2 into 4 that is 8 minus this is 2 by 3. So hence we can say 4k that is equal to, this will be, we can take 3 minus 8 that is minus 5 minus 2 by 3. So now we can take the LCM of the denominators, which is 1 and 3. So 4k that is equal to, this LCM is 3, so 5 3s are 15, so minus 15 minus 2. So it means 4k that is equal to minus 17 by 3. So therefore k will be equal to minus 17 by 3 divided by 4. Which means we have to take the reciprocal of 4 by 1, which is 1 by 4. So k will be equal to minus 17 by 3 into 1 by 4, which is equal to minus 17 by 12. So minus 17 by 12 is the answer. Or we can also write it as minus 1 whole 5 by 12 also. So this is the answer. Then in question number 8, has been told that in triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. So this is the right angle. If tan A is 1 by root 3, so tan A is 1 by root 3. So it means that angle A should be equal to 30 degrees. So angle A is 30 degrees, B is 90 degrees. So obviously angle C will be 60 degree on this. Since if we use the angle sum property, since the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now we have to then find the values of the, following, which is to find the value of sine A into cos C plus cos A into sine C. So now, so from here, angle A is 30 degree and angle C is 60 degree. So therefore, we have to find the value of sine 30 into cos 60 plus cos 30 into sine 60. So therefore, sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 that is also 1 by 2 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sine 60 is also root 3 by 2. So therefore, it will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which is 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So 1 is the answer. Then in question number 9, it has been told that in triangle PQR, which is right angled at Q, triangle PQR, which is right angled at Q. So at Q, we have a right angle, which is 90 degrees. Then it is told that PR plus QR, that is equal to 25 centimeter, and PQ is 5 centimeter. Then find the values of sine P and cos R. So sine P and cos R values we have to find out. Now, PQ has been told this is 5 centimeter. Now, suppose if we take QR as X, if you take QR as X centimeter, this is X centimeter, then we can say that PR length will be 25 minus X centimeters. So this is 25 minus X centimeter. And then we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the value of X. Since we know that since PR is the hypotenuse, so according to the Pythagoras theorem, PR square will be equal to PQ square plus QR square. So then PR will be 25 minus X whole square is equal to PQ, that is equal to 5 square, plus QR, that is QR square, that is X square. So then, so as we know, A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So this should be 25 square plus X square minus 2 into 25 into X, that is equal to 5 square plus X square. Then, so therefore we can say it's 25 square means 625 plus X square. So we can take all these in the right hand side, we can take these to the left hand side, and when we change the side, then the sign also will change. So 625 plus X square minus 2 into 25 is 50x, then minus 25, since here we have 5 square, which is 25, and then here we have plus X square, so here it will be minus X square, that is equal to 0. So now X square will get cancelled, and 625 minus 25 is 600. So 600 minus 50x, that is equal to 0. So I can say 50x, that is equal to 600. So therefore, x will be equal to 600 by 50, which will be 0 cancel. So 12 5 is 60. So x will be equal to 12. So hence, therefore, I can say QR length is 12 centimeter, and hence PR length is 25 minus 12, that is 13 centimeter. And PQ is X, obviously. And then, therefore, we have to find out sine P. Sine P, that is equal to, obviously, sine P, that is the opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine P, that will be opposite side by hypotenuse. This QR by PR. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So QR length is 12 centimeter divided by PR, which is 13. So sine P is 12 by 13. Similarly, cos R is for this angle. Cos R is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is also QR by, and hypotenuse is PR. So QR is 12 centimeter by PR is 13. So cos R is also 12 by 13. And sine P is also 12 by 13. So these are the answers. Then in question number 10, it has been told that if tan A plus B, tan of A plus B, that is equals to root 3, and tan of A minus B, that is equal to 1 by root 3, then find the values of A and B. Find the values of A and B. So as we know, root 3, that is equal, root 3 means tan of 60 degree, and 1 by root 3 is tan of 30 degree. So therefore, I can say tan A plus B, that is equal to tan 60 degree, and tan of A minus B, that is equal to tan 30 degree. So therefore we will get two equations, which is A plus B is 60 degree and A minus B is 30 degree. A minus B is 30 degrees. So now if we add these two equations, then B will get cancelled. So A plus B plus A minus B, that is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree. If we add them, so then B will get cancelled. So 2A will be equal to 90 degrees. So therefore A is equal to 45 degrees. Now A is 45, so therefore I can put this value of A in the equation 1, and we can say B is equal to 60 degree minus A. So that is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree, which is equal to 15 degree. So A value is 45 degree. So therefore the final answer is that A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degrees. So this is the answer. Then in question number 11, it has been told that if 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta is 2 by 3, then what is the value of theta? So now so therefore I can say if we solve this equation, so then when the side will change, then the sign will change, as we know. So if we change the side of 2 by 3, then here we have plus sign. So the sign will change. And if here we have negative sign, if we change the side of this, then the will change to plus sign. So then, so this will be 1 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to plus tan square theta. So therefore 1 minus 2 by 3 is 3 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to tan square theta. So therefore I can say tan square theta, that will be equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1 by 3. So tan square theta is 1 by 3. So now if we take the square root on both sides, then we will have tan theta, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan theta, that is equal to 1 by root 3. So therefore tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So tan theta is tan 30 degree. So therefore angle theta will be equal to 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is the answer. So it is the required value of angle theta. Then in question number 12, it has been told that if sine A is half, sine A is 1 by 2, then find the value of cot A and sec square A minus tan square A. Sec square A minus tan square A. So now sine A is 1 by 2. So we know that 1 by 2 means sine 30 degrees. So therefore sine A is equal to sine 30 degrees. So hence we can say angle A will be 30 degrees. So then we have to find the value of cot 30 degrees. So cot 30 means it is 1 by tan 30 degrees. 1 by tan 30 means is 1 by tan 30 means 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 means it is 1 divided by 1 by root 3, which means it is 1. We have to take the reciprocal of this. So it is 1 into root 3 by 1, which is root 3. So, so cot 30 is root 3. And then secant square A minus tan square A. Now sec A we have to find. Sec A means sec 30 degree. Sec 30 means 1 by cos 30. So now 1 by cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this will be 1 divided by root 3 by 2, which means it will be 2 by 3. 2 by root 3. So sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So it means here we have to find out the value of sec square A minus tan square A, means sec square 30 degree minus tan square 30 degree. So which will be equal to sec 30 whole square. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3, its whole square. So this will be equal to 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 4 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 3, which means it is 1. So the answers are cot 30 value is root 3, it is one answer, and sec square A minus tan square A is 1. So it is the second answer. Then in the question number 13, it has been told that if triangle ABC is right angled at C, in the value of cos of A plus B is. Now triangle ABC that is right angled at C. We have triangle ABC, which is right angled at C, and the value of cos of A plus B. Now, the angle C is 90 degrees. So therefore, we can say by the angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of the three angles will be equal to 180 degrees, which is according to the angle sum property, angle sum property of a of triangle. So now angle C has been told it is 90 degrees. So I can say A plus B plus 90 degree, that is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore I can say A plus B, that will be equal to 180 degree minus 90 degrees, which means that A plus B will be equal to 90 degrees. A plus B is 90 degrees. Now we have to find out the value of cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B value we have to find out, which is cos of 90 degrees, which is equal to 0. Cos 90, as we know, that is 0. So 0 is the answer. Then in question number 14, it has been told sine alpha that is equal to 1 by 2, and cos of cos beta is 1 by 2. Then we have to find the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta value I have to find out. So we know that sine 30 degrees is half and cos 60 degrees also half. So therefore sine alpha I can say that is equal to sine 30 degrees, and cos beta that is equal to cos of 60 degrees, since cos 60 is also half and sine 30 is also half. So therefore we can say alpha is 30 degree and beta is 60 degrees. So now alpha plus beta, so therefore now alpha plus beta, that will be equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is the answer. 90 degrees is the answer. Then in question number 15, it has been told that if 4 tan theta that is equal to 3, 4 tan theta equal to 3, then 4 sin theta minus cos theta by 4 sin theta plus cos theta will be how much, that we have to find out. So now we have to find the value of this. Let's say that okay, so here tan theta, from here tan theta will be equal to 3 by 4. Now so we can draw one triangle where this angle is theta, and then tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So if you take the length of the opposite side as 3x units, then the adjacent side will be 4x units, and the length of the hypotenuse, will be root over 3x square plus 4x whole square, which will be obviously equal to root over 9x square by 16x square, which is equal to root over 25x square, which is equal to 5x. So the length of the hypotenuse is 5x. So therefore we can find out sine theta. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, which is 3x by 5x, which is equal to 3 by 5. And we can find out cos theta also. Cos theta will be equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is 4x units and hypotenuse is 5x units. So that is equal to 4 by 5. So cos theta is 4 by 5 and sin theta is 3 by 5. So therefore this required value which we have to find, which is 4 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 4 sin theta plus cos theta. So that will be equal to, this is 4 into sin theta, that is 3 by 5, minus cos theta, that is 4 by 5, by 4 into sin theta, that is 3 by 5, plus cos theta, that is 4 by 5. So therefore this will be equal to 4 is at 12, 12 by 5 minus 4 by 5 divided by 12 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So therefore this value will be equal to 12. It will be equal to 12 minus 4 by 5, and this will be 12 plus 4 by 5. So this will be 12 minus 4, that is 8 by 5 divided by, this will be 16 by 5, which means it is, we have to take the reciprocal of the second term, which is 8 by 5 into 5 by 16. So 5 will get cancelled. So 8 1 8, 8 2 is 16, which is equal to 1 by 2. So the required value of the given expression is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Then in question number 16, it has been told that if root 3 tan theta that is equal to 1, root 3 tan theta is 1, then the value of sine square theta minus cos square theta is. So tan theta will be equal to 1 by root 3 then. So which means that tan 30 degree, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So therefore theta will be equal to 30 degrees. Therefore now we have to find out the value of sine square theta minus cos square theta. It means we need to find the value of sine square 30 degrees minus cos square 30 degrees. Sine square 30 is sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, so it's whole square. Minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2, it's whole square. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4, which means it is 1 minus 3 by 4, which is minus 2 by 4, which is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Then in question number 17, it has been told that number 17, it has been told that simplify the given expression, which is tan square 60 degree plus 4 cos square 45 degree plus 3 into secant sec square 30 degree plus cos square 90 degrees. So now, as you know, tan 60 is root 3 whole square plus 4 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square plus 3 into this will be now sec 30. Sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30, which is so cos 30, as you know, that is equal to root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be the reciprocal of that, which is 2 by root 3. So this will be 2 by root 3 whole square plus cos 90 is 0, so it is 0 square. So this will be 3 plus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into this will be 4 by 3. So this will be equal to 2 to the 4. See, 3 will get cancelled. So it is 3 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 9. So 9 is the answer. Then 18, on question number 18, it has been told if sine theta minus cos theta that is equal to 0, then find the value of sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Now sine theta minus cos theta is 0, it means sine theta will be equal to cos theta. So it means that sine theta by cos theta that is equal to 1. So it means that tan theta, so we know that sine theta by cos theta means tan theta. So tan theta is equal to 1. So 1 means tan 45 degrees. So tan theta equal to tan 45. So it means that angle theta is equal to 45 degrees. So now here, therefore, sine power 4 theta means it is sine power 4 45 degrees. So it means we have to find sine 45 degree power 4 plus this will be cos 45 degree power 4. Since why theta is 45 degree. So therefore, we can say that sine 45 is 1 by root 2, it's whole power 4, plus it will be 1 by root 2 power 4. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So now root 2 power 4, so it means that it is 1 by 2 power half, I can say, it is and whole power 4 plus root 2 means I can say 1 by root 2 means it is 1 by 2 power half and whole power 4. So 2 2s of 4, this is 2 2s of 4. So it will be equal to simply 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. It means it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which means it is 1 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4. Which is equal to 2 by 4, which means it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Then in question number 19, it has been told that find the acute angle A and B if sine of A plus 2B that is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos of A plus 4B a plus 4b, that is equal to 0. If sine of a plus 2b, that is root 3 by 2, and cos of a plus 4b is 0, and a greater than b, then we have to find the values of a and b. A and b values we have to find out. And a and b should be more than 0 degree and less than 90 degrees. Since it is told that both are acute angles, both should be acute angles. Okay, so now as we know, root 3 by 2 means it is sine 60 degrees. So therefore, and 0 means cos 90 degree. So I can say that sine a plus 2b, that is given as same as sine 60 degrees, and this cos of a plus 4b, that is given as cos of 90 degrees. Cos of 90 degrees. So therefore, I can say a plus 2b is equal to 60 degrees. This is one of the equation. I can call it the equation number 1. And the second equation is a plus 4b, that is equal to 90 degrees. This is the second equation. Now a and b values we have to find out. So from here, we can say that a, from the equation 1, I can say a is equal to 60 degree minus 2b. And this expression I can put in the equation 2. So therefore, 60 degree minus 2b, which is equal to, which is a plus 4b, that is equal to 90 degrees. Now 4b plus 4b minus 2b, that is 2b. 2b plus 60 degree, that is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, I can say 2b that will be equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to 30 degrees. So therefore, b will be equal to 30 degree divided by 2, which means it is 15 degrees. B is 15 degrees. So if B is 15, then A also I can find. A will be 60 degree minus 2B. So 2 into 15, which means it is 60 degree minus 30 degree, which is equal to 30 degrees. So therefore, so the required answer is A is equal to 30 degree and B is 15 degrees. So this is the required answer. Then in question number 20, have been told that if root 3 sine theta, that is equal to cos theta, then find the value of 3 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta divided by 3 cos square theta plus 2. This value we have to find out. So now 3 sine theta is equal to cos theta. So therefore I can say that root 3 sine theta divided by cos theta, that will be equal to 1. Or I can say sine theta divided by cos theta, that will be equal to 1 by root 3. Now sine theta by cos theta means tan theta. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means tan 30 degrees, which means that tan theta is equal to tan 30 degrees. So hence theta is equal to 30 degrees. Theta is 30 degrees. So hence cos 30 we can find. Cos theta will be equal to cos 30. Cos 30 means it is root 3 by 2. It is root 3 by 2. So therefore this required value, the value of the given expression we have to find out. So therefore that is 3 cos square theta. So that is 3 cos theta whole square plus 2 cos theta divided by, that is 3 cos theta whole square, 3 cos theta whole square plus 2. So it means 3 cos 30, that is root 3 by 2 whole square, plus 2 into this is root 3 by 2 by this is 3 into root 3 by 2 whole square plus 2. So it means this is 3 into root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 2, 3 by 4 actually. Since 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So it is 3 by 4 plus this will be 2 into root 3 by 2 divided by this is 3 into 3 by 4 again plus 2. Now here 2 and 2 I can cancel it. So this is actually equal to 3 so 9. So 9 by 4 plus root 3 divided by 9 by 4 plus 2. Now we can take the LCM. So that is 9 plus 4 root 3 divided by 4 it will be divided by 9 plus 4 into 2, that is 8 by 4. This will be 9 plus 4 root 3 divided by 4 into this will be 4 by 9 plus 8, that is 17. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So the final answer is 9 plus 4 root 3 by 17. 9 plus 4 root 3 by 17 is the required answer. Then in question number 21, it has been told that find the acute angle theta. Find the acute angle theta when cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta, that is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So then theta value we have to find out. So now we can cross multiply. We can cross multiply. So that is 1 plus root 3 into should be cos theta minus sin theta. That will be equal to 1 minus root 3 into cos theta plus sin theta. So if we expand this, then we will get 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta, and minus 1 into sin theta, that is sin theta. Then plus root 3 into cos theta, that is root 3 cos theta. Then plus root 3 into minus sin theta, that is minus root 3 sin theta. That will be equal to again 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta, plus 1 into sin theta, that is sin theta. Then minus root 3 into cos theta, that is minus root 3 cos theta. Then minus root 3 into plus sin theta, that is minus root 3 sin theta. Now what we can do, we can take all of the terms in the right hand side to the left hand side. So all of their sign will change. So all their sign will change. So this will be cos theta minus sin theta, then plus root 3 cos theta minus root 3 sin theta. This will be minus cos theta minus sin theta, then plus root 3 cos theta, then plus root 3 sin theta, that is equal to 0. So now we can do some cancellation since here we have plus cos theta and minus cos theta. So these two will get cancelled. And here we have minus root 3 sin theta and plus root 3 sin theta. So these will get cancelled. Now here we can see this is root 3 cos theta plus root 3 cos theta, that is 2 root 3 cos theta, and minus sin theta minus sin theta. So that is minus sin theta, that is equal to 0. So therefore we can say that here 2 root 3 cos theta, that is equal to 2 sin theta. If you take this on the right hand side. So then we can say that this will be cos theta by sin theta, that will be equal to 2 by 2 root 3. 2 by 2 root 3. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So I can say sin theta divided by cos theta, that will be equal to root 3 by 1. So which means tan theta, that is equal to root 3. So therefore tan theta, that is equal to tan 60 degree. So therefore theta will be equal to 60 degree. Theta will be equal to 60 degree. Theta will be equal to 60 degree. Now theta will be equal to 60 degree. So 60 degrees the answer. Then question number 22 is told that to find the value of the expression 5 cos square 60. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now this is equal to 5 into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, its whole square, plus 4 into sec 30. As you know, sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. Now cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 2 by root 3. So it is 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 is 1. So 1 square divided by now sin 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square, plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2, its whole square. So now this will be equal to 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by this will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this will be equal to 5 by 4 plus this will be equal to the 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by this will be 1 plus 3 by 4. So now this will be, here we can take the LCM. LCM for 4 and 3 is 12. So 12, 4, 3 is a 12, 3, 5 is a 15 plus 3 4s are 12, 16 4s is 64 64 minus 12 ones are 12 divided by 4 by 4, 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 will be 1. And then this will be 15 plus 64 minus 12 by 12 by 1 means divided by 1, which will be same. So this will be 15 minus 12. We can do 15 minus 12 plus 64 by 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3. 3 plus 64 by 12, which is 67 by 12. So 67 by 12 is the answer. So hope all of you have understood. So thank you everyone. I hope all of you have understood. So 67 by 12, it means 12 5s are 65, 7 by 12 also you can write as the answer. So still any doubts that you have, you can ask me in the class or after the class. So thank you everyone. Bye.